Hello, welcome to TINE Academy. My name is Prapo, and in this video I would like to show you how to install Julia Computing in Vscode. If you want to use Julia Computing, this is the first step to do. So you go to Google and then type Julia Vscode, not after Julia, and you click the first link here, Julia for Visual Studio Code. And the first step, if you don't have Julia, you should download Julia. That's the first thing to do. So click Julia, and now you are on Julia website. So click download this version, and if you have Macs, then you use 64-bit. This one, for me, I use Windows 10 64-bit, so I click this one and then save as in the download, then just save. Since I have already, so just replace it. And now open the file and click install here. And don't forget to click this one, add Julia to path. This is very important. I will tell you why. Now we wait. And now finish. Just click finish. Now next step, go back to Vscode website, and then this time we have to download Vscode. So click this one, get going, and here you will see getting started. The instruction number 2, install Vscode for your platform. So click on this link and choose the one that is your operating system. For me, this one, Windows 10. Click on that, and you will see there's many extensions that is supported by Visual Studio. So click download here. Okay, it's blocked over there, sorry. So I have to always allow Visual, then done. Yeah. And if you don't see anything is downloading, just click this one, direct download link, and here we go. Save as, save, and now finished. Open file. Okay, next, and the file, it's saved in these locations. That's fine, just let it like that. Since I used to install this before, so just click yes and click next. I like to create a desktop icon and add 2 parts. This one, ensure that you tick this one, and then next, and then install. And now done, very quick. And I will take this one away first, finish. That's it. And now let's see how can we implement Julia in Vscode. So open Vscode, go to extension, click that one, and for the first time you will not see what it's installed because I have installed that before. So you type Julia here and you will see the first one. Click this one and then install and finish. Now very quick, go to extension settings, scroll down to Julia executable part. This is where I said before you should tick when you install Julia to add path, so that VS Code can know where is executable file of Julia. If you have other versions of Julia, for example 1.4, 1.3 something, you can change to the new Julia versions by just add this file locations. So normally it's in C drive, user, and this capital user, normally it's your computer names that you specify when you install the operating system at the first time. For me, I just let it user like that, and it's in application data, local programs, and then Julia. This is the new versions that I have, bin, and then julia.exe. And once you retype that into the new locations, you should close VS Code and then restart again. So if you reread the locations of the executable file, and now we click Julia here, and to start, you just click file and then new file, and don't worry about that, and then you save this file. You can save anywhere you like. For example, I save in the desktop, and you save the file as Julia here. Okay, I can change the name to test and then save, and now you will see there is icon of Julia over there, 3 dots. Okay, now let's try run the first programs. I will set a variable a equal to 3, and then save, Control S. You have to save first. You see that white dot. If I modify the code in .jl file, it will show the white dot there, so it indicates that you have edit something in the programs. And then save, and then execute file in repo, and you see there will be something in terminals, Julia, and also it will show the last result. Because I have only one line, so we show the first line, a equal to 3, and it's also store the variable a equal to 3 in workspace over here. You can also set variables and store in workspace from terminal as well. So I use b equal to 5 like that. Enter. You will see it will add b equal to 5 in workspace here. So you can do both. So I always consider terminals as something like quick calculations, like calculators used for the quick calculation. Or we can try like this and enter. We see it will take a equal to 3 times with b that is stored in workspace already, and c is equal to 15. And if you type c like that, use c and times 10 equal 150. That means everything that's stored in workspace, you can use it any times in terminals. Now come back to the test.jl file. Now let's make metrics. I put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then don't forget to save. Let's see if I don't save it. I just let it like that. What's happened if I run? Let me show you. Okay, you will see it only shows the a equal to 3, the first line, because this metric m it's not rebuilt in in test.jl yet. So you have to save first and execute again, and you will see we show the last result, which is M matrix. You can also visualize matrix in the table form like this one. Double click here, and you see Julia table, and you see that you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is very nice to visualize the matrix in table like this, especially who dealing with the numerical analysis. This is very good tool. But one problem with this is that you cannot copy all these numbers and paste in Microsoft Excel. That's what I expect Juliet team to improve that in the future. But if you want that that data in Excel, you can export it as .csv file. We will discuss about that later in another video. And if you don't like this variable for ABC, if you don't like that, you want to have something else, you want to change it, you don't like A anymore, you want something like T instead, and M, you like it to be N instead, and you run the program, and you see you have more variable. Put this away. Oh, I forget to save it. Yeah, save it first, run again, and you see you have N and T, but you don't want A anymore, you don't want B and C anymore, just want only N and T, and you want M because you change your mind, you want to change the variable. So what you're supposed to do is you cannot delete A, B, C, or M individually. You have to delete all and run program again to get only the variable you want. So what you have to do is you have to click this one, this trash icon, Q terminal, and then you run Julia again. Look at that. Now you see that you get N and T. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.